thought I would give a little explanatory video on how you can watch my 360-degree videos. A lot of people have said in the comments that the quality is very low, it's not good enough for them to watch. Well, that's not because of the video and it's not because of me. It's because you haven't clicked on this settings cog down here. And what happens is when you first load up the video, it sets to default for your internet speed. And that might be 1080, for example. Right? So there's 1080 and it does look blurry and not clear. Even unwatchable, I'd say. But you can fix that easily. If you've got a fairly good internet speed, all you have to do is go down to this settings cog, click on it, click on the quality, and pick whatever is the best quality that you have available. Here you can see it's 4K. So if I click on 4K, when I play the video, you can see it jumped there into 4K. So the other thing is there's two ways of spinning the video around. The way I'm doing it at the moment is I'm using my mouse, or it's actually my trackpad, but trackpad and a mouse, it's the same thing. You just drag the screen to wherever you want to look. Okay? The other way of doing it is if you click on this little icon up here, this little thing, that then allows you to use the up, down, left and right cursor keys on your keyboard. Now, if you don't have a left, right, up and down cursor keys on your keyboard, you can use the W, A, S and D keys and move the view all around. And as the video is playing, and I'll just jump on a wee bit here so that I'm halfway down the road, you can, as I'm walking along, you can watch me and listen while I'm talking away, or you can listen to me talking and you can be looking whenever you like. It's up to you. You choose wherever you want to look, and it's as simple as that. So I hope that clears up any confusion that people had about a blurry video, or how do I turn the view around to wherever I want. So if you'd like to leave a thumbs up or a like on this video and leave a comment, I would be really, really grateful. Thanks very much, and cheerio the now.